Okay, so one more design request was regarding the art gallery landing page, right? So art gallery usually has multiple images within grid, right? And apart from that, it has its own sections of artists and floors, and the art that is out for display in that particular time, and also the artists who are going to receive that particular floor, right? So a lot of detailing is there, and use query like say design an art gallery landing page and have artist sections with grid of images, also variety of art that is out for sale, and also any charity art event or any event included in that gallery, right? So we'll try to make it useless tokens, so useless is possible design of gallery relevant to art studio, right? So we can have this as query. If you want to add anything else or try to optimize this by reducing the amount of queries, you can do so. You can stuff little stuff and not try to extend it with something like this, like design gallery, then have sections within the same sentence. You can reduce that part. Okay, so we say something like, let's say, so create art gallery with this page. You can even mention single page design, right, with grid of thumbnails, full screen model for artwork details, transitions, keyboard navigation for accessibility, right? So we are going to use less credits for this, and also we want to try to be relevant with the design for that particular art studio. So here you will have to make those changes accordingly. Try to make art studio design look decent as well, right? And not use too many credits. I already have like 1.9 only credits. If it doesn't work, we'll just stop generation. So we'll push this query for now. You can see it is going to think for a moment before it can design. We specifically mention about the amount of credits that we are about to use here. You can see it is working on a design approach. So it will have hero section with gallery branding, masonry style artwork with hover effect, full screen model for artwork details, fade in transition, keyboard controls, and responsive design. So exactly the way we wanted with minimal query. So it kind of like we just gave it an idea and it is pushing its own version of that idea. Only issue is we need to do this with minimal credits. And one more thing is smooth transition and design that actually suits the art gallery, right? So we didn't even mention about the social links and the location, contact form, etc. And we are assuming that it will take care of those things. Okay, so it is trying to do all of this in typical Next.js. Every action that we throw at it with the query, it tries to do that with Next.js design, right? And it works out for that. One more thing, we also have to change name once this is done, considering this is just a mock-up right now. But once created, we'll have to change the design and its branding. So a lot of manual edit you will have to do, right? For example, using this particular select to edit tool, we can change the brand name as such, right? So we can select it and then ask Lovable to change that. So it finished with the page. You can see it is using serif font, charcoal background. If we look at the design, it fits perfectly for the gallery because the font and the masonry style layout. Okay, so we'll have to manually mention some of the details like location, socials, contact, right? Because literally we don't have anything. Okay, you can see no means of contact here. So let's first open this and see how much we can use this design, right? Okay, right. So for NFTs or maybe for even non-digital galleries, we can use this design. Right, all the features are here. Okay, right. So it worked exactly as the prompt we optimized with, and it looks like a decent gallery. You will have to just edit this, right? So you can see for edits, I can use this particular edit tool and I can edit this and ask it to quick change. For example, I selected this. I will have to say make it something like NYC gallery and then push the change and it will do, right? So we can undo the delete, come back here. So this was gallery, art gallery landing page with Lovable.